All right, guys, this is Bernard with A+ Windshield Repair and Headlight Restorations. Today we are working on an old car that's so cool. It's a Subaru SVX. Subaru SVX. The year is 1996, and we're going to be restoring these headlights on here and the bar in the middle there. We're going to kind of go all the way across and see if we can get these things to clean up. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. SVX 1996, and as you can see, those lights came out sparkling. Yeah, that's what we were looking for. Removing all that oxidation from these lights. A+ Windshield Repair and Headlight Restoration. Give us a call if we can help you with your headlights, no matter how old the car is.